inspect this canary palm. Large, mature, but having some problems. You got speckling, discoloration of the leaves, browning, necrotic tissue, even in mid-vein of the pinnae. So the pinnae are showing desiccation right in the middle of the frond. The interior fronds in the center still look green, but these tips here are browning off halfway up. I don't see streaking typical of fusarium, but this necrotic tissue here mid pinnae is very concerning. These are not looking good. Excessive browning. Up through them. Hopefully you can see some of this through the backlit sunlight. Gonna go in towards the heart. Good, but browning, but some of that may just be the baby sheath protective coating. Got the new spire in the middle. We seeing those okay? The color and the tips look good here, but browning in the center is not looking so good. Pull back, look again from the distance on the overall crown perspective. Flower stalks well attached. Fronds even at the base looks okay. Just go and transition here back to this desiccated pinnae. A little bit of a look around the backside. See if I can see anything else. It seems to be pretty consistent around the crown. Heavy speckling all the way through. Shane, flower.